welcome back to my channel. My name is Natalia and today I wanted to do this little video of my everyday makeup routine. I have been looking at everyday makeup routines all over, like the most natural looking ones, and I've been trying some of their techniques and I love it. So I've been doing this for like, I think all quarantines were like 4 months, and I've loved it because people can see my freckles. So let's just get started. The first thing I've used, because as you can see I'm not wearing any makeup right now and I have some like spots, you can say, so I like to take care of my skin, prevent new spots from coming. So I use the facial moisturizing lotion from CeraVe. So I just apply this real quick in my face. It looks a lot, but you go and you spread it out with your hands. And it's not glossy as usual sunscreens do, so it's kind of matte, so I really like it. I can leave the information down below, but it's a really good product. Next off, sometimes I use primer, sometimes I don't, depending on what I'm gonna do. And today I'm going to work, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of this primer. I also use this two different primers. This one I use it a little bit more when I wanna put more makeup on. But my favorite one for hiking and like everyday activity that I know I'm gonna sweat, I use a little bit of this one. Also, it's like simpler to apply because it kind of resembles sunscreen or lotion, whereas the matte putty primer, it's not that easy to spread out. So I just put a little bit under my eyes. And again, I'm not gonna use liquid foundation, so that's why I'm using a primer to help me cover the pores, because I want my freckles to be out. So next thing I do, and this is something I saw Vanessa Merrill do it like a long time ago, and I've been trying it out. She doesn't wear liquid foundation sometimes, she just puts contour and bronzer and a little bit of highlighter. So I'm gonna go ahead with contour. I have the Hoola Benefit contour, and it looks like a lot, but you have to spread it out. So I do like a 3, like who was it? I think it was Kim Kardashian. She's like, I do a 3, she does like this. So I kind of use that technique. And again, I use a lot and it looks like a lot, but you spread it out and evenly through your face, and it just also makes you look a little bit more tan. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fix it up. Okay, so next off, I didn't used to love blush that much, but now I do a lot. I feel like it just makes me look more alive, especially in the morning when I feel like my face is a little bit puffed up. I feel like it just makes me look a little bit more awake. So I use the Tarte Feisty, and I also have another one, but this one I love it for the summer because it gives me that like tannish look, like if I was in the sun and I got a little bit of like tan under it. So I apply a little bit in my nose, that's like the most important part for me to apply it, and my cheeks. I feel like it also helps my freckles pop a little bit. So then this has to be one of the most important steps. I sometimes do it first or sometimes do it last, and is the concealer, because I have a lot of guy friends and they're like honest, very honest like kids are, and they mention to me a lot every time they see me not wearing any makeup. They mention that I have dark spots under my eyes, if that's mascara or anything, and I'm like, no, that is either lack of sleep or I don't know what else. So I apply a little bit of concealer, which I'm using the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer, that you can also, like I mentioned it in other past videos, so you can check those out too. So I use my little brush, so I just use those 2 brushes, blend that out. And then, this is just me, but I use the same brush that I use my contour, and I pass a little bit under it, because sometimes I feel like it looks a little bit white, so I just pass a little bit under it to like, I don't know, give it a little bit more color. I didn't grab anymore. I just used the excess that was already in the brush. And then one of the most important things other than concealer is the eyebrows, because my eyebrows, I do not paint them. I don't do anything other than brush them. So I brush them up because they're a little rebel and they're always going wherever they want to go. And then I use this, my favorite one is 24-hour brow setter from Benefit. This, I can also use it for my baby hairs. If I see a lot of baby hairs that are really bothering me, I'll just use it up there too. But it's mostly for the eyebrows. So I just brush them up, really simple. Oh. And that's it. That's all I do for my eyebrows. And for my eyelashes, I keep using the same one. I am thinking of buying a new one soon, but I keep using the one that I've used for like 8 years now. It's the Maybelline New York, the Mega Plush Volume Express. So I have this technique that I swear it works better. That you like shake it and then go up. Shake it and then go up, and then you get a little bit more and you go like this. And sometimes in between, I don't know if it makes that much of a difference, but I use this eye scissors. I don't know.
Eyelash curler.
Eyelash curler? They look like scissors though. And like that. And you can see a little bit of difference. Again, this is for everyday makeup, so I'm trying to make it look natural as possible. And I feel like the more you apply, the better they look. So if you want them to look darker or longer, like keep applying. But I'm good with that natural look because I am just going to work. So, and to finish it off, I use a little bit brush like this one. This one is a mini multitask brush. This one I bought it on Target, and I just go like this to take any excess off. And then sometimes I go with the facial spray from Badescu skincare, and I just spray it. This, I don't know if this one does anything. I know I have some that actually really work, but this one I just like it because it kind of wakes me up and refreshes me, and I do feel like it helps my skin absorb the makeup better. So I got my highlighter, and I just take a little bit of the highlighter and put it in my cheeks and in my tip of the nose, and that's it. I like to be minimal with the highlighter, especially everyday makeup. So that's pretty much all I do in my everyday makeup routine. I hope you guys like that. I hope you guys can take a little bit of this technique to your everyday. And so yeah, I hope you guys liked it, and you can also wear lip balm or anything else. I personally always forget, so, but anyways, I hope you guys liked it. Bye.